I know I've been saying this quite a bit, but I am back, and this time is going to be a little bit more frequently when I'm going to upload videos. Over the past 4 months, I just been focused on development and essentially proving my skill sets, but that all encompasses in building out the best production as I can currently, at least. But today in this video, I want to talk about what's going on with all these coins. And I don't mean the top 100 or the ones everyone usually talks about. I'm talking about coins like Yearn Finance or Y-Earn Finance. And I'm also talking about coins like its brother coin, Wi-Fi 2 or DeFi Money, as they changed their name, going up to essentially insane numbers to the high of around close to $8,000 per coin. And one of my personal favorites, Sushi, which went up to $10 or nearing $10 and then dropping down to only $1.60. And I get a lot of questions about people saying, well, where can I find these amazing coins, or where can I purchase these coins? You can see meme is dropping rapidly down around 40%. And people are asking, well, how can I get in on this? Because many of you must know that the most common platform people buy currencies, at least here in the US, is Coinbase. And Coinbase is great. It's a great starter for essentially most people getting into crypto. Or if you aren't a US resident, you might also look into utilizing Binance and getting access to Binance and all their different currencies that they have. But some of these hot coins aren't on Binance, nor are they on Coinbase, because for a coin to be listed on one of these exchange giants, they'll have to be approved by them. And essentially the biggest difference between Coinbase and Binance is essentially somewhat of a similar difference between Apple and Android. I feel Binance, you're going to have a little bit more leeway. If you are a developer or a company seeking to get your coin out there, you're going to have an easier time getting it listed on Binance. Whereas if you try to get it listed on Coinbase, you're going to have to go through a little bit more hurdles. So Coinbase doesn't just list any coin that comes out. You can see here, if a coin is tradable on Coinbase, it's going to have this blue trade button if you are on the desktop version. And on Binance, it's also going to have the same trade indicator, which is here is just a link stating that you can trade it for one coin or another. Now, most of these hot popping coins aren't on Coinbase or Binance, so people are going to be asking, where can I get it? That, my friends, you can get it on Uniswap. Now, Uniswap is a decentralized exchange, meaning there's no middlemen, where Coinbase and Binance are companies seeking to make a profit. Uniswap is a decentralized platform where you are trading peer-to-peer. No, you don't have to be in direct contact with said person you're trading with. Uniswap allows for investors to essentially provide liquidity for you to trade the respective token. And for a lot of it, let's say, for example, you want to try to find, well, they have it on here. Well, let's find a coin that's not listed on Coinbase. So Wi-Fi Money 2. So let's say you want to buy DeFi Money, right? You can't trade it on Coinbase, and the chances of you being able to, okay, well, now you could be able to purchase it on Binance, but when it first came out, you didn't have that opportunity. Well, let's see what about Wi-Fi L. Okay, Wi-Fi L, you're not able to buy on Binance, and you're able to view it on Coinbase, so you can see its price movement, but you're not able to buy it. One of the things I do, I will go to CoinGecko. I would type in Wi-Fi L. So I'll type in Wi-Fi L, and I'll come down to make sure it's an ERC token. And an ERC token, in layman's terms, essentially means this coin lives on the Ethereum virtual machine or the Ethereum blockchain. an app like Uniswap, all of the tokens are Ethereum based tokens, meaning all these tokens live on Ethereum blockchain. So in order to trade a token on Uniswap, it has to live on the Ethereum blockchain. So for example, let's see Bitcoin. Okay, you're not able to trade Bitcoin on Uniswap because Bitcoin isn't a ERC token. It's its own standalone project. How do you find if a coin is an ERC token or not? Well, I prefer to go to CoinGecko, and if it says contract and you see this 0x in front of this contract address, then that's a good indicator it's the ERC token. And if you need another confirmation, you can click Etherscan. And Etherscan is essentially the platform that lists all of the cryptocurrencies and tokens, dApps, in the smart contracts, in the addresses, every single thing on the Ethereum blockchain. Boom, here, Wi-Fi token. Boom, the same address that was here on CoinGecko. So I'll come here, or I'll go to CoinGecko. I press this copy button, and then I'll navigate to select the token. Now, if I type in Wi-Fi L here, okay, pops up. But let's say it doesn't pop up, right? Because I had already added there. So if I type it in again, it doesn't pop up. So I'll go here. But prior to, you guys might have to, you might come to a pop-up that says select the list. For me, I'll just come down and click the Uniswap default list. This might pop up. If this pop up, then just come down and click the Uniswap default list. And then you go to select token and you paste that address in there. And then once you paste that address in there, you click add. Boom. And then once you click add, you click Wi-Fi L. No, that's wrong one. That's the other one. You click Wi-Fi L and boom, there you go. Of course, this is a demo address and I don't have any ETH to actually make a transaction. But if you want to know how to make a transaction on Uniswap, you can find my most recent video before this video, and it walks you through that process on how to perform a trade. I believe that one's on Uniswap 1 version 1, which is this one, but on version 2 is still very similar. It's still the same. But I hope this helps you essentially navigate the world of crypto. I'm gonna put out more content on my YouTube channel in terms of the world of crypto and technologies. Over the past 4 months, I've just been extremely crammed and busy with a lot of projects, but I'm seeking to relinquish a lot of those responsibilities to focus and dedicate more of my time in providing sweet crypto content for you guys. And if you haven't already, feel free to follow my Instagram at Mr. Crypto Priest, or follow me on Twitter at Ty Cooper AOW. And I hope this helps, and you guys have a great day.